here. Let's meet him for the first time.
Hey man, how's it going?
What's up, man?
Good, nice
Good to meet you.
Likewise.
All right, here we go. It's gonna be awesome today.
Oh yeah, can't wait. Coffee, huh? Coffee.
Yes, sir. Right now it's just a little before 7 a.m. Let's see who we got. This sexy beast right here.
How's it, guys? How's it?
Yeah.
Welcome. Dopesquad Hawaii in the house.
Yeah.
Huh?
Long time no see.
Yeah, man.
See.
Darren should be close by too. That might be him actually.
Okay.
That's not Darren.
This is gonna be crazy. So we got about 80 people plus, models and photographers. I was telling Michaud that I am both excited and scared. Thanks so much for picking me up and
No
driving
worries,
me.
man. It's a pleasure.
And of course, you already know Jon Jon, sexy beast right here.
It's gonna be hella dope, guys. Get ready for it. Hawaii's gonna erupt with content.
Yup. We got Kimo, but
What's up, everyone?
so you do a lot of fitness photos, right?
Yeah, mostly stuff in the gym. It's been a while since I've been outdoors, so looking forward to this experience.
Have you met Brett Seeley?
Not yet. I'm looking forward to seeing his Pedro shirt as well as hearing his accent.
Good
Hey,
morning.
we got Leilani here.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yes.
Hello, how
Hey,
are you?
good, good. How are you?
Good. Am I the first one?
You are the first. That means you're the best.
There's.
Everybody's arriving right now. I don't know who all these people are, but taking over the parking lot. All these people. I can't see her because she got tinted windows.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Hey, how are you? All right, guys. This is Gama.
How's it going?
Check him out, y'all.
Right on.
Oh shit! Look who it is.
That's
Hi, morning.
Hey, morning. How are you?
Hi.
Hey.
Good morning. I got roses. Happy Valentine's Day.
Hey, this is my daughter.
Allegedly.
Can you hit me next with that blush?
That's pretty much it.
Oh, you fucker. Is this recording?
Yeah. You're in case you get automatic while you fuckers.
How is it? Hey.
What's up? What's up?
Cody.
Cody. Cal.
nice to meet
Good
you.
to meet you. Yay, it's Cody.
Hey, Jay.
what's up?
How you doing, man?
Cal. Good to
Cal,
meet you.
nice to meet you, man.
Hey. Darren. What's up, man? Cal.
Oh, Cal, what's
Good to meet you. This right here. Remember this face?
No.
This guy's working on a secret project. It's gonna be a calendar with naked men.
Damn it.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's
Oh, Cal. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, thanks for coming.
Do it for mom.
Yeah. Yay.
How's it?
This is Nick.
Photos, Hawaii.
Yes. Check him out.
So many people. I remember people by their Instagram handles.
Exactly. That's what I was gonna say. Yep. Even though I'm behind the camera, I gotta have my eyelashes on too. Wait, you have eyelashes?
No.
Oh, she has her own. I gotta buy mine.
Or you can just cut some parts of your beard, I guess.
Oh yeah, it'll look like pubes on my eyelashes. Oh shit! Who is this? Hey.
Mustard.
Mustard.
Asians aren't supposed to wear mustard.
That's true. So I met my future son-in-law.
Oh my god.
I approve. So if you're watching, put a ring on it. Damn it! Wait, are you ready?
hope
You're not ready, huh?
Uh,
You guys know her? She's my cousin, actually.
oh, really?
Can you see the resemblance?
How are you?
How are you?
Hey.
Good to meet you finally.
Good to meet you.
Yeah. What's up, man?
Nice to meet.
What was it?
Nice to meet.
No, what was your name?
Oh, Tristan.
Tristan.
Yeah.
Tristan.
Yeah.
Cal. Hey.
Okay, straight up, guys. We want to thank you guys for everybody for coming here. We want to thank Carl. He's the main reason why all of us are here. If you guys didn't know, also Brett Seeley, his nephew. Yeah, and we have Michael Sasser coming too, who's a boudoir guy coming over here. So it's really great opportunity for you guys to learn. Rule number one, we're all adults here. Don't be a dick, straight up. Yeah. Models, you have the right to say if you don't want to do something, you don't have to do it. Models, if you're sitting on your butt and you don't want to take photos, it's all on you. Photographers, same thing as well, right? If you see somebody's open, ask them, hey, let's take some shots. Clean up your mess. If you get hurt, the only thing I know how to do is mouth to mouth, and I only do it on guys. Oh, I got a paper cut, mouth to mouth, automatic. We're here to learn, network, create. Other than that, start creating and have fun. All right, good.
Yay.
Yeah.
Great speech.
Okay, I'm done.
Damn, look at Michaela's dress. I think she borrowed that from Mike.
We have Cal here with his fancy contraption.
Yeah.
Follow me at Faith and Drilla on YouTube. I'm trying to step up my YouTube game and I continuously fail.
This one is probably the best photographer here.
Oh, shut
So-
up. But thank you. Ooh, I must have really good.
Why did I wave like this?
I'll brighten that up. I hate you already,
You made it.
but I love you at the same time.
Oh, I love you too.
Okay. Hey!
Holy cow!
Hashtag. This is Haley. She's Dr. Sexy Plant. Hey, who's this guy? Who is this? Hey.
Your little sister.
Yeah, I see some crazy people out here. Woo! Oh, you guys know this dude.
What's up, man?
Who's this
What
guy?
up?
Who's this guy?
How's it going?
Hey.
I'm the bar out of LA.
Hey, you guys know this crazy homeless Vietnamese guy?
Yeah, I'm homeless.
Hey!
All about that butt.
This booty queen. Yes.
About that booty pop.
Yeah, cow got me into the booty pop.
Good morning again. Good morning.
These are my two daughters.
Yeah,
Pops.
the 19-year-old and the 23-year-old.
Yeah.
That's funny.
This one I've had since she was a baby. This one I just found out about. Oh shit, look who it is. Hey. Oh shit, her bag just hit me in the nuts. So we got this giant tent coming up.
How much does it take?
Oh shoot, Doctor's in the house. So you liking Oahu so far?
I love it. The food here is amazing. And
Better than Maui?
it's really hard. It is kind of, sort of.
Look who's trying to sneak in the video.
Pops, where's the bikinis?
All of this hair, I donated to her last year. Whoa, I look good like that, yeah? You know, it's funny. Right now, my nephew's filming us. Just got here. Late as usual.
Asian people time. As I was waiting on the message from I got nuts.
Oh man, a little overexposed right here. It's all good, we're not photographers. And then we got a lot of people right now just chilling, getting ready. Oh!
Sup?
Yo, look, it's JC.
Hey.
Guy.
Dude, right
Yo, this is my special Hawaiian shave ice buddy. I want to show you guys something real quick.
Bottom teeth only. Start with your bottom teeth only. You ready? It's your shot.
The frame.
The legend's behind the camera right there. The legend, the boss. That is a dude that motivates millions. You better get on it. Follow that dude. Give him all your money. All your money.
How you doing, Colin?
Oh, this is awesome, man. I can't believe it. Being from Canada, this is paradise.
Yeah.
This is paradise, man.
What part of Canada?
BC. BC.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
Close to Vancouver.
I'm so glad you came out. Hope you enjoyed.
It's so awesome.
Have to pull out.
Okay, your finger's fine. Jon Jon.
Hey, you know what's good for, right? Digging noses.
Look, Anella's so tall, I can't even fit her. Just kidding.
I'm tiptoeing.
Oh, they got you in the King of Swim. She said, tie me up. We have a food truck on Maui called Tie Me Up.
Thai food. Oh yeah.
So good.
Thai
I
with
love
like, it's literally just down the street. Yeah, we're just doing a quick food run right now. I don't know, I'm just gonna grab whatever. All right, we're just doing some shopping now.
It's so at the worst angle.
Yeah, I was like, you're looking up right now.
I'm just on the phone, always on the phone.
So
Okay.
rude.
I know. We're
I
good
think
here?
we're good.
Okay, so we're gonna get condiments, ketchup, mustard.
Gotta get a knife.
Gotta get a knife for cutting people. We have some random old creepy guys just hanging out taking pictures with their cell phones. So weird. Get some of this. Hello. How are you? Good, how are you? Yeah, I didn't want to talk about this in front of other people, but I just found out one of my idols died in a helicopter crash, Kobe. So when you're shooting, you're gonna have things that'll affect you, but you just gotta move it aside. Keep going, just keep working, work through it. Yeah, it's really hard, man. I can't. It's hard for me to focus, but we're gonna just keep doing what we do. And oh no, we're overexposed. I'm not a photographer, it's all gay. So I'm sitting back here with all this pizza. I'm gonna sample some first.
See his backfield?
You know, whatever works.
You're on it's like a minute down here.
All right, look what Keikoa and Faithlin I can't talk, bitch. Look what some of these guys brought. Yeah.
Top one's gonna be really heavy.
Yeah. This is what we're working with today. Courtesy of Keikoa and Faith. Thank you, thank you. I'm vlogging right now.
Welcome to the Food Network. We have Kyle. This is Jon Jon. We're making some delicious burgers made from the Aina, for the Aina. And we're having some a very good special today. We have jumbo shrimp wrapped in prosciutto with the Portuguese risotto with the light ponzu sauce. Very simple dish that Kyle made himself. Traditionally made in Thailand, but made in Hawaii today. So any good news on what you're making right now?
Well, the good news is we didn't burn them too much.
Yes. Yeah. I like how he's holding the knife towards me. And I'm the Filipino. I'm the one who needs the knife.
Knife, spatula.
It works out, dude. Stay tuned. Back to our sponsors.
Domino's.